Today we have another room challenge. We have Mina. She's all the way in Sweden and she needs help with her living room. So Mina sent over a video of her apartment and she wants help as far as like the living room. Let's go ahead and look at her space and see what is the issue.
Hello, I would love to submit my living room to get the help it deserves. Here's my wannabe Victorian vibe-ish living room. Yeah, it's a little DIY mix. I've tried to design it-ish. These whiteboards need to be painted green or the same gray as the bookshelves. Here in the middle, I would love to have some sort of built-in fireplace thing, fake obviously because I live in an apartment. The TV needs to be hidden somehow. And here I would love to have like two chairs facing the sofa, a gallery wall of some sorts with golden frames. But yeah, I'm sort of lost on the color scheme actually. On the walls, they're all white. Here's what it looks like from the other side. Here, I really don't know what I did. I just wanted something on the wall, so I just put something. This I actually wanted painted a darker green to match the bookshelves. I really like the carpet and the sofa, but the wood is just not, something's just off. Something's just not working, and I think I have to start with the walls somehow. Here's my office space. I work from home. So I wanted some sort of wall here to cover this, but I think I just need a little expert help, right? Just some input of what I can maybe do to improve this would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.
Okay, so Mina, I'm going to give you a way to come up with your color scheme. And that's first starting by looking around your room and seeing what you would like to keep in the space. I know that you mentioned that you wanted to keep your carpet, your area rug, your sofa, your bookcases you've painted kind of like a light green color. So these items are going to stay. I would look at these items and see what colors you can incorporate and add to your color scheme. So one of the colors could be your light green bookcase, right? That could be one color. Second color could be the burgundy in the rug. And there's another color in the rug. I want to say it's like a greenish color, or it could be gray. I'm not really sure. Yeah, just look at the colors that are in your rug and see if you want to pull out one of those colors. The second way to do this is to write down 3 words to describe how you want to feel and equate those words to colors. I reached out to Mina after she submitted her video and I wanted to know how she wanted to feel in this space. So give me 3 words, at least 3 words to describe how you want to feel in this space. And she came back and she gave me warm, cozy, and inviting. So it could mean different things to different people. Let's start with the word inviting. What colors equates to inviting? When I think of inviting, I think of a lighter shade of color. So something light and bright. She also mentioned she wanted to be warm. So warm colors could be cream colors, yellows. Also cozy. For me, cozy equates to being grounded. So brown colors, greens are cozy colors to me. It's like grounding yourself. What makes you feel safe, comfortable, those type of colors. That's probably why she has a lot of greenery, because she likes to be grounded. That should help you with coming up with your color scheme. Mina also mentioned when she comes into her living room, she doesn't like the fact the first thing that she sees is her desk. So she wants to change that. All right, so the fact that she mentioned that she doesn't like to see her desk, one option is to put a partition right there. But that's one extra item that she would have to purchase. So Is there something in her space that she could use, or is there something she can do without having to go out and buy something? My suggestion, and I went ahead and modeled her space based on the video, so the measurements are not 100%, but I think it's close. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the model. So here is the layout that I came up with, and I already rearranged her furniture. So right now she has her desk by the window, and my suggestion would be, instead of having it by the window, she could have it on the wall next to the entrance to the living room. And what's already there in her living room is her dresser. So what she could do, instead of buying a faux fireplace, another option would be to move the dresser from this wall to under the TV, and I think it will fit based on what I see. That way you still have your furniture and you're able to have your desk over here and have more space over here. Since you have $1,000, my recommendation would be to focus some of that money, or most of that money, towards getting the items that you want, such as your coffee table and your 2 accent chairs. I know that's going to cost more, so why not, utilize that money towards that. Here is the 3D version of your room with the desk on the wall, short wall when you come in. If you notice, it is in wood. One DIY project you could do is to overlay your desk with a wood vinyl. Since you have more wood elements, I would incorporate that for your desk as well. Mina, you also mentioned that you wanted to do a gallery wall. I think that's a great idea. And you could put it above your sofa, along with 2 wall sconces. The great thing is there are a lot of wall sconces that are cordless. All you have to do is screw them to the wall and charge them. Here is a mock-up of what you could possibly do. There are so many different ways to arrange like your frames. So if you have artwork around your home, you could, just create a collage and arrange it so it looks pleasing. I thought this was really cute. It looks symmetrical, but it gives you a variety. For others that may be interested in a gallery wall, you could do it with so many different items. You could go on Etsy and get prints of something that you're interested in, and it does not have to be artwork. You could just do the frame itself. Let's take a look at what the dresser would look like. I placed the dresser over here, and then I thought about another DIY you could do, which is frame your TV. This is a really simple project to do. I actually have a video making it with a friend, so check that out. I'll put the link in the description box below, but that is a really fun project. You could do it with someone or by yourself. One other thing I recommend is to change out your drapes, either in the color, the burgundy color, or the green color. With the Victorian style, you see more rich fabrics. I think a velvet drape would look awesome. Over here, I have your greenery. I know that you have like 2 small trees there. So one way to make your room cohesive is to add a particular color throughout your room. So for instance, you have bookcases that are in that green color. I would suggest adding green to your drapes, maybe to your pillows, or you could have like a book or 2 on your coffee table that has the color green. That is a way to make your room cohesive, is take that color and just spread it out across the room. That way it feels like it's intentional. And then what you could do is take the artwork that you have above your sofa right now, and you could move it above the desk if you do decide to put it on the short wall. That would look nice as well. Mina, I hope these ideas were helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if anyone would like the opportunity to get ideas from me, please send over your photos or video to @DesignsByTrisha on Instagram for consideration. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week.